Look up at the night sky. Among the countless stars, one glows with a rusty hue. Mars, the red planet. For centuries, Mars has captured our imagination, both familiar and alien, the subject of science fiction and scientific ambition. But what if we could do more than dream? What if we could go there and stay? Becoming a multi-planetary species isn't just about survival. It's about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. The drive to explore is in our DNA. Mars is the next great frontier. Living on Mars would force us to innovate, to rethink everything from technology to our place in the universe. This isn't fantasy. Space agencies and private companies are working to make it real. Imagine waking up to a pink sky, seeing 2 moons overhead, and Earth as a distant star. The journey will be perilous, survival a daily challenge, but the reward is a future for humanity among the stars. The real question, how do we turn this dream into reality? We must understand Mars, a world hostile to life as we know it. Every resource, from air to food, must be carefully planned or found there. The cosmic stage is set. Mars is waiting. Mars is no Earth twin. It's a world of extremes. Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano, and Valle Marineris, a canyon system stretching across the US, dwarf anything on Earth. But this grandeur comes with danger. Mars is a cold, desert world. Its atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's, made mostly of carbon dioxide, unbreathable and unable to hold heat. Temperatures can swing from a mild 20 degrees Celsius to minus 73 degrees Celsius in a single day. Gravity is just 38% of Earth's, making you lighter but risking long-term health issues. Mars is battered by radiation, and its weather is unpredictable. Dust storms can engulf the planet for weeks, blocking sunlight and threatening power supplies. The fine dust can clog machinery and harm health. Any habitat must be sealed, insulated, and powered to survive these storms. Mars is dynamic, but its extremes are relentless. Surviving here means adapting to a world that's beautiful but unforgiving. Every day would be a test of resilience. This is the environment future Martians must conquer. Earth is a perfect life support system. Thick atmosphere, magnetic field, abundant water, and a stable climate. On Mars, survival is anything but default. Its thin CO2 atmosphere offers no oxygen or protection from radiation. Any Martian home must be shielded, likely underground or buried in regolith. Water exists as ice, but extracting it requires advanced machinery. Once obtained, water must be purified, used for crops, and split for oxygen and fuel. Food can't come from Earth forever. Colonists must become farmers, using greenhouses and hydroponics. Martian soil lacks nutrients, so it must be treated or replaced. Every calorie and drop of water is precious. Recycling is essential. Life on Mars means engineering every aspect of survival. The challenge: turn a hostile world into a livable one. Robotic explorers have paved the way for humans on Mars. Rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity revealed ancient riverbeds and evidence of past water. Perseverance and ingenuity are pushing boundaries, flying in thin air, searching for signs of ancient life. The MOXIE experiment proved we can make oxygen from Martian air, a breakthrough for future missions. Each mission teaches us how to survive and thrive on Mars. These robotic pioneers are our test pilots for the future. Every discovery brings us closer to a human foothold on the red planet. How do we build a home on Mars? Early habitats will be prefabricated modules, but long-term survival means using local resources. Scientists are developing ways to 3D print shelters from Martian regolith for radiation protection. Lava tubes, vast underground caves, could become ready-made shelters, shielding colonists from harsh conditions. The goal? A self-sustaining ecosystem, recycling water, air, and waste. Bioregenerative life support systems will mimic Earth's cycles inside Martian habitats. Independence from Earth is the ultimate milestone. The first Martians will be pioneers, scientists, engineers, and eventually families. Building a new civilization under a pink sky will take courage and innovation. Mars isn't just a destination, it's a new beginning for humanity.